Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Uh, okay, guys. So some people asking for Lahore and some people for asking for Anjero. And Somali, too much people is like for the breakfast for this Anjero. So today I'm making for Anjero and Lahore. So please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. So my YouTube channel name is Willy Boy Somali. Thank you. Watch for this video. Okay guys, so I can make for this one. First I put for the white flour, and second I can put for this one. You can see this wrapper and salt. Okay, and waiting for only 2 or 3 minutes. Yeah. So now I can remove this one very high. Guys, so this one ready. You can see this one. It's very good. Okay, now I can eat for this one. It's very good taste. So guys, I can make four piece, and I'm eating one piece for now. I'm can testing. Super. So I like egg and zero for breakfast time. So every day I'm eating. So this is very good taste. So please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Mahasanit. Bye bye.